ng aking guest. It's a Friday, so thank you for spending your weekend with us. So, pinagbigyan naman ako ni Paul and Dane. Because ladies and gentlemen, tonight, before we start our program, magsisimula na ako mamigay ng cash at ng gift certificates. Pero eto na, ito, hiningi ko talaga ito from Paul. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys have nothing to do the rest of the evening, later on, one of my beautiful guests tonight is gonna walk away 10,000 richer later on. Ang tagal mo niligawan mo, from Paul. Tonight ay magaling at makinig pagdating sa music or mga kanta. Oh! Let's see. Now, the reason why I'm asking is, here's how we'll play. I have... Ay, pa ako ng narinig ka. What? Sinong sasagot?
Our guest na po.
Oh, our guest of honor. Let's see. Hi, what is your name? Hello. Marian. Oh my God, the first 1,000 is flying away tonight. Marian, from the 90s, our first mystery song is... Ooh! I love the energy, I love the energy. But ladies and gentlemen, also one more VIPs, our secondary sponsors, starting off with Kenneth Torres and Maria Andrea Domingo. Also coming in hot tonight, please give it up and make some noise for Primitivo Hernandez and Ermita Patuba. But hold on, because wrapping up our secondary sponsors, please give it up for Mark De La Cruz and Sharkina Velasquez. I love Mark. Well, ladies and gentlemen, kasama ka sa palakpakan for VIP! But my newlyweds, they will open the night tonight. Starting off with the girls, ladies and gentlemen, for their very special performance tonight. Please give it up and make some noise for Team Pride! One, two, three, ladies and gentlemen, teaser pa lang yan because here comes the performance. Give it up for Team Pride! 5, 6, 7, 8. Girls, dito lang. Dahil habang sumasayaw ang girls, parang masama ang tingin ng boys ko eh. Ladies and gentlemen, vying for the best dancers tonight title, here comes the handsome gentleman tonight. Make some noise for Team
you sa lahat ng pumunta dito and mag-celebrate na sa amin. Yun, alam ko malalayo pa yung mga bahay natin. And yun, thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you po sa pag-stay and for the reception. Alam po natin nakakapagod at mainit. So, thank you. Thank you po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. We are jam-packed tonight. Now, Paul, I think you want to get a very special woman and bring her right here for a special guest. Go. Thousands of miles just to be with Paul. Please, a round of applause for our groom and mother. And easy like golden, I'll be there for you. With the routines uncertain, you can't stop your burden. I'll be there for you. When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you. Catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. When the world isn't kind, your dreams ain't need time. Ladies and gentlemen, much love and honor to the one and only, ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful, the mother of my group, of course, all the way from Abu. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for another beautiful woman. Stand right here beside me first. Because you can't just go ahead and simply dance with Dane. Dane, you want to get a special man, right? So go ahead. Take that hand to the dance floor. One last special dance with the one and only Mr. Raymond Bunsen.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand, have no fear, 'cause I will be here. You feel like being quiet.
Paul, right here. Paul, before we go ahead and give you that hand, we have a very important reminder for you tonight. That once Mr. Bansil turned over that hand, and the sweetest cheers you can give me for the now officially Mr. and Mrs. Paul and Dane Hernandez.
That I'm still breathing, I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you and feel what across my head, shaking, and you were the reason my heart keeps believing. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, I'd make sure the light defeated the dark. Spend every hour of every day keeping you so. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean, just to be with you and fix what I broke. Cause I need you to see.
Congratulations, newlyweds right here. And let's go ahead and slice out the beautiful fake showry because we'll go ahead and share that to everybody tonight. That's a big cake, all right.
You walked up to me and asked for my name, and every little thing for me has changed. I saw you guys.
There you go.
Always let me down. I'm
And all that piece of cake goes out to you, Lily. And your cake. Oh, Paul, please go ahead and get some for your beautiful wife. Sweet. Of course, Nate, it's makeup time. Go ahead and get a big piece for your husband, please. Ang dami naman yan, din. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise for Paul and Dane. Before we go ahead and go to our main event, because I have 2 glasses of wine right here, one for my groom and one for my bride. Big smile, newlyweds. And everybody, let's count them down to 3, to 4. You go ahead and pop us up those wine. Everybody, in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Hernandez. Ooh, I'm hearing some requests. What we doing? Evolution natin, guys? One sweet piece for see the deal. Come on. Come on.
birthday. And that's mas maswerte tayo Eddie. And I thank the Lord that you found her. Because I know that she brings out the best in you. Sana ano tayo Eddie. Na maging maswerte rin siya sa'yo. And I'm happy for both of you that alam kong masaya ka. And I wish that you just love and take care of each other forever.
Well, if we have heard from the other side of the
Hindi naman ako nagkamali. Nakilala pa kita ng gusto. Sana lang alagaan mo si Daniel. Tsaka, basta kung may problema, lagi pag-usapan ka agad. Walang secret para tumagal yung pagsasama mo. Yun lang. Iwasan sa pangit na yan ko. Love you both.
And first, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First, I'd like to thank God for this wonderful evening. And thank you to all of you who graced this special event of my daughter and, of course, my son now, Paul. My only wish for them is I hope they surpass the trials in their married life, and they just need to put God first. At saka, yun nga, magpasensyahan sa buhay mag-asawa at lahat mag-resolve. I love you, Neng, and Paul. Sana madalas ang pagbisita niyo sa amin. Thank you.
Thank you so much to the lovely parents, of course, of our bride. And hold on, I have one special wisher tonight. Please, on stage, grabe iyak niya. Let's hear what she has to say. Of course, the sister of our bride. Please give it up for Mariel and Betsy! Let's go, Mariel.
Siyempre, una sa lahat, gusto kong i-congratulate yung dalawa. Parang dati lang, pag pinag-uusapan mo, nandidiri ka pa. Pero ngayon, tapos ikaw, Paul, dati lang nahiya ka magpaalam. Pero ngayon, wala nang paalam. Forever na to. Ayun lang, sana humaba yung marriage, and maging happy lang kayo. Andito lang ako. Kasi maging kapag Kuya Paul. Thank you. Yun lang. Dito lang ako para sa iyo.
Thank you so much. And now, it's official. We have prepared for everybody. Let's go ahead and have a short blessing for our meals. And to lead us on to our blessing for dinner, ladies and gentlemen, on stage, let's have Hurricane Gulostra for our blessing.
Sisingilin ko na kayo. Gusto ko po talaga tumanggi kasi hindi ako nagsasalita. Pero simula college, hindi pa sila. Ikaw may honor na. Paano ko tatanggap? Nagkakilala ko kami first year college, first day.
Or mamaya na po.
Wala na, nakawala. And tapos, so, ko alam bakit sa akin lagi ito tumatakbo pag may kailangan siya kay Dave. Pag may kailangan siyang malaman na pag magre-regalo, gano'n. Kaya, ano nangyari? Parang mas close na kami ni Paul. Kasi siya naman, hindi masyado nagtatanong sa akin. Ang ano ba, medyo pamaan na kabit ako ni kasi pag sorry. Kasi pag yung phone ni Paul, pag nag-message ako, bawal basahin ni Dave. Kasi lahat ng secret, lahat ng plano niya, saan kami nag-uusap. And parang simula college, nakita ko kung gano'n niya kamahal si Dave. Parang simula nga college, sinasabi nila na below honor ako. Tapos simula college, nag-iisip ako paano ko sasabihin ko na wala akong nakanda kahit ano. Kasi parang lahat ng memories na magkakasama kami. Kasi dakilang third wheel po nila ako. Lagi nila akong bilhin, kahit ako malaki. Parang nung una-una akong pagkakaaway, sila magsusumbong sa akin. Kakainis ko. Mamaya mga after 5 minutes, ito naman, nagalit si Dave. Tapos simula doon sa sa super mature na nila, sa hanggang dun sa nag-plan na si Paul ng proposal. Nag-plan po siya parang 1.5 years before ng proposal. Ganun siya ka-prepare, ganun siya ka-ready, ganun siya ka-sure kay Dave. And, nakita ko kung paano niya kamahal si Dave at gano'n kamahal ni Dave si Paul. At kahit po sinabi nila tita nila dito, kita-kita rin po nila kasi grabe po magmahal si Paul kay Dave. At kahit kami mga friends niya, nadamay kami dun sa efforts na
Sabi pa na hindi natin alam lahat tungkol kay Paul. Basically, I grew up in the same neighborhood. Literal na magdadikit yung bahay namin. And I think si Paul yung una kong nakilala na tropa dun sa amin. Lumata kami. So, basically, I always saw Paul as like the cool guy sa tropa namin. Siya lang din yung may six-pack abs. He's always fun to be with. And siya lang din yung he's the type of friend na kung ano, sabihan mo lang siya kahit hindi ka masyadong nakapan for you know what. Pero message mo lang siya kahit isang beses, he's always got your back. That's the type of friend Paul is. And so, for me growing up, ang dami namin ginawang palakuan, pati sa mga... hindi, kumbaga, tulad nung mag-doorbell si Menchor, tapos biglang tatakbo kami sa random na bahay. Yung Red Horse na may wagang malo, na Red Horse. Maglalaro ng NBA 2K, buong gabi, gumarato ng Walking Dead. I didn't realize at the time, pero looking back now, at those moments, I wouldn't be who I am nang wala yun ngayon. And basically, I wouldn't be who I am without phone, without mga friends namin. And I just want to say na just want to thank you na you've been the best thing that's ever happened to Paul. And Paul, gusto mo pagkitin ko yung DSLR? Joke lang. Last, I just want to congratulate you guys. Finally, it's official, and congratulations and best wishes to both of you. Okay.
There you go. Kailangan mag-message kay Paul at kay Dave. Alright? Oh, eto na. Ay! Sino kaya si Benchor ba? Si Aaron ba? Oh! Yo! Sino to? Ikaw! Oh, isa. One more. Hindi yan pwede. Yan. One more. Oh! Ayan na. Tingnan natin. Mukhang favorite ko today dyan, ha? Naka-message ka na. Ay! Sino? Punta dito. Tayo, ang sirkuleta. Ay, ito pala. Ang iba mo masuleta. Lucky one.
First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting us and being part of your special day. Sige na. And wish you all the best. And to be honest, you are both lucky because we found each other and forward to each other. Kasi yung iba naghahanap pa, yung iba nakita na pero pinakawalan pa. Pero kayo, I know love is always be there. And sana hindi mawala yung respect for each other. So, yun. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Richmond right here. Our lucky gift for tonight. Guys, this one, Mrs. Hernandez. Everybody, come on! Dane, I need you here. Ayan. Oh! At ang huling number for me. Dahil yung winning digit for dito. Guys, kunat me if I'm wrong balita ko kasi kung si Punet, napakabait daw nito. Totoo ba yun? Guys, hindi na daw mabait, napakamapagmahal pa. Totoo ba yun? Guys, baka hindi nyo alam na itong aking drone, hindi lang ito mabait at mapagmahal. Dahil baka hindi nyo alam na si Paul, napakagaling ding sumayaw! Dave, ready ka na ba? Guys, you'll watch it just right here for one night only. So, ladies and gentlemen, for some Cody tonight, please make some noise for the man of the hour. Give it up for Mr. Paul Hernandez. At syempre, the moment we've waiting for, Paul. This is it. May hinahanap tayo, hinahanap natin. Itinago yung day. Kaya naman, what else to do, Paul? Pasok. Ay, naku pa, pumasok na. Ay, mukhang bibig ang ginamit ni Paul, ha? Hindi basta kamay. Ay, mukhang nakuha na. Mukhang nakuha na. Paul, paano tayo mo dyan, Paul, ha? Ay! Bakit mo naman sa akin yan, Paul? Shout out to everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. Paul Hernandez! Paul, bulsa mo muna yan. Dahil, syempre, pag nakuha mo ang Gartner from Day at may bouquet si Day, kailangan ipasa ngayon natin yan. Kaya naman, Paul, eto na. Let's go ahead and call out your single voice, please. Yan na. Oh,
Richmond.
Richmond! Yan, Richmond.
DJ.
DJ! Richmond, DJ, dito, sabi natin.
Roy Samir.
Troy Samaniano.
Troy Samaniano!
Geran.
Troy, let's go. Sino ba? Ang gwapo naman ang voice ko, ah.
Right.
Right! Alright.
Kasi.
Clear na, kayo daw hindi pa alam na nagka-hi, kanangahan na akong pink kanina. Richmond, singles, Richmond.
Sige.
Ay, sige sa pato. Mukhang excited na mag-take. Gano'n ang tagal single na singles si Richmond. Kung 6 birthday na ako kay Richmond. 2 years old. 2 years pa lang single. 2 months. Up. Dito. Boys, hindi tayo maglalaro ng throwing of garter and throwing of bouquet. Alright? We'll play a game. Ang matatalo sa game, automatic, he will be the lover boy of the night. Alright? Now, tanggalin ang left shoe. Left. Left. Alright? Ang kailangan niyo na gawin, pagbilang ko ng 3, ay hanapin ng kapartner ng sapatos niyo. Pag nakita niyo, isusuot, tatakbo sa akin. Pag nakarating sa akin yung 2 sapatos, safe na, out na sa game. Ang pinakahuli na makakarating sa akin yung 2 sapatos, siya na ang aming official lover boy of the night. And in 3, 2, 1, go! Hanap! Isuot! Kailangan na isuot bago tumakbo! 1, 2, ay, decision! Oy! Oh! Hanap! 2 na lang! Oy! Sinasabi ko na. Hindi ba yun sa'yo? Oh! Sa'yo yun? Ayos mo? Ano ba ito? Teka ha? Mukhang nakainin na yung mga single boys ko. Nakakita siya ng sapatos. Tinignan niya yung sapatos, hinagis niya sa labas. Tapos na-realize niya, sapatos ko nga pala yung hinagis ko sa labas. Ano ka ba ng bata ka, Richmond? Oh, Richmond, perfect! Out na kayo! Nasa ang DJ! Halika dito! Akong lover boy. Oh, di ba? Hindi ko na sapatos yung Richmond eh. So, yan. Girls. Kung yung mga hawak, out na, makakaupo na. And, hit it, DJ. Ikaw. Bakit kailangan mga kababaihan na yun? Anong nangyayari? Teka lang. Ang sabi ko, hawak na ako gulubutin. Sinasabi ko sa'yo eh. Oh, dahil ang bilis mo, makakaupo ka na. Hey, DJ! Ikot! Wala pa. Nakita ko to eh. Sup na eh. Muntik na talaga to eh. Oh, out na. Shirley? Ay, nako! Girls, ito. Kung kanina hawak, ito, pag tigil ng music, ang kailangan ko na, yung unang may hawak ng bouquet. Alright? Kailangan makuha na yung bouquet from DJ. Hit it, DJ. Oh! Ikot! Hey! Ah! Iba talaga si Rasha. May lahi talaga si Rasha eh. Ang bilis eh. Rasha, ang problema ko lang naman, sa sobrang bilis mo kasi, hindi parang tapos. Ang sabi ko, sa last round, ang nakakakulang bulaklak, sa kanya na yung bouquet! Rasha, please. On your seat. Go ha. May lahi ko si Rasha. Ay, dito, BJ. Ay! May ilabi na syempre kay kasi yung daughter. Paki-award na ang mahiwagang garter. Russia, please. Yeah. DJ, nakita mo naman, medyo nilabangan tayo ng aking room. So, kailangan medyo makakanggilas naman natin ang
Sasayaw na.
kailangan medyo
Thank you for accepting me since 2017. Thank you po. To my family, of course, for all the support since then. Thank you so much. Thank you. To Ate Kuya Tora, yes, nag-sponsor kayo. Thank you so much. To Kuya Carlan and Pam, thank you so much. To our principal sponsors, Secretary, our entourage, thank you so much. Hindi po biro maging entourage, para hassle, mainit, yan, dami pictorial, parrot, so thank you. Thank you everyone. Of course, to our suppliers, first is our prep venue, Casa Rita, thank you so much. To our reception venue, Hardin de Marimar for the beautiful venue. Then, of course, live ng gabi to our coordination and host, Miss Mariel, thank you to Miss Reg, thank you to Francis, to Miss Anna, thank you everyone. You made our day less hassle, na-enjoy namin, nakakain kami. Hindi kami pagod, parang wala kami hintindi today, so thank you so much. To our catering Rich Gold, thank you. Thank you for our cake. Yan. Thank you for the lechon. At yes, to Mami Yubi, thank you for the lechon. Thank you po. Our photo video team, Sir Romel and team, thank you so much. Since prenup, di kami napagod. Di namin naramdaman yung pagod every end of the day nung mga shoot natin. So thank you. You made it so simple, yeah, easy, yet fun and meaningful. So thank you so much. To our hair and makeup team, Sir Marco, thank you. Our Rango Florist, our mobile bar, Satisfied Mobile Bar, thank you. Sunset Lights, 888, thank you so much. To our entourage and crew meals,
Mami and Daddy. Sila papaasa kasi na hindi to matutuloy kung walang blessing ng lahat. Yan sa family ko, sa support na and thank you.
Thank you everybody for joining us up until the end. And here we go. Guys, pagtawag nyo at nag-ring on your end, kalma lang. Sasagutin namin, we need to hear the official name of our 10,000 winner tonight. And for 10,000 grand jackpot, sino gusto mag-win ng 10,000? Oh! Our last winning number is number 3. 0928-162. Ayun na, pumasok na. Sasagutin namin. Hello? Hello? Anong pangalan? Kenneth? Kenneth! Congratulations! Kenneth, halika na! Ngayon, ang gusto ko, buksan mo yan, ingitin mo silang lahat. Buksan mo. Yan. Go! Ano nakalagay?
Hindi ata totoo. Hindi rin.
10,000 mAh power bank.
Yeah! Sinobre ko na ito eh. Kasi, Kenneth, ito na, 10,000 milliampere na power bank. Congratulations, Paula Jenny!